Plant hormones or phytohormones are naturally producing chemicals in the plant body. The naturally produced growth hormones are broadly grouped under 5 major classes. They are auxin, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene and abscisic acid. First, auxin. Auxin is a growth promoter. Auxin is a growth promoter generally produced in growing apex of stem and root of plants. The naturally produced auxin is indole 3-acetic acid. The naturally produced auxin is indole 3-acetic acid. That is IAA. They are also produced by chemically. The chemical auxins are have the same effect of naturally produced auxin. The synthetic auxins are indole 3-butyric acid, indole 3-butyric acid, IBA, and dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. (2,4-D) and naphthalene acetic acid. Naphthalene acetic acid. NAA. These three are synthetic auxins and this is the natural auxin that produced in plant body. The functions of auxin include it promotes cell elongation, it suppresses the growth of lateral bud, it delay fall of leaf, that means leaf abscission. Fall of leaf means leaf abscission. NAA is used for preventing fruit drop in apples before they are ripe. 2,4-D act as dicot weedicide, that is used for destroying the weeds. Again, the functions of oxygen include it promotes cell elongation, suppress the growth of lateral buds, it delay leaf fall, that means leaf abscission. NAA is used for preventing fruit drop in apples before they are ripe. 2,4-D act as a dicot weedicide. Next category, gibberellin. Next, phytohormone gibberellin. Gibberellin or gibberellic acid gibberellic acid was initially isolated from fungus Gibberella fugiculae. It is extracted from a fungus. Gibberella fugiculae. In plants, it is, that means the gibberellin produced in embryos, roots and young leaves, and it enhances growth. The functions of gibberellin: it helps in elongation of stem in genetically dwarf plants. It helps elongation of stems in genetically dwarf plants. It breaks dormancy of seed and buds. If we use gibberellins or apply gibberellins in seeds and buds, it germinate fastly. It breaks dormancy of seeds and buds. Gibberellin induce parthenocarpy. That means the seedless variety of fruits. The formation of seedless fruits without fertilization. That means parthenocarpy. Gibberellins induce parthenocarpy or provide stimulus received by pollination. Third category, cytokinin. Third category of phytohormones, cytokinins. They are extracted from coconut milk. Cytokinins are extracted from coconut milk. Cytokinins are synthesized in root apex endosperm of seed and young fruits, where solution takes place continuously. Cytokinins are synthesized in root apex endoderm of seeds. We already discussed about it, and young fruits where solution takes place continuously. Functions of cytokinin includes stimulate cell division, cell enlargement and cell differentiation. Cell division, cell enlargement and cell differentiation. Cytokinins promote all these three functions. They prevent the aging of plant part. Cytokinins prevent the aging of plant parts. Cytokinins inhibit apical dominance and help in growth of lateral buds. That is opposite to the function of auxin. Cytokinins inhibit apical dominance and help in growth of lateral buds and branches. Fourth category, ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. It is found in ripening fruits, young flowers and young leaves. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. It found in ripening fruits, young flowers and young leaves. Functions of ethylene: it induces or promotes ripening of fruits. It promotes senescence, that is the old age. It promotes senescence or ripening, and abscission of leaves and flowers. It promotes senescence, abscission of leaves and flowers. In cells, it only increases the width, not the length. These ethylene have some negative activities. It induces ripening of fruits, it promotes senescence and abscission of leaves and flowers. Shedding. Abscission means shedding of leaves and flowers, promoting the abscission of leaves and flowers, and promotes senescence, old age. In cells, it only increases the width, not the length. Fifth category, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid, also known as dormin, in a naturally occurring growth inhibitor. It is a growth inhibitor. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor found in wide variety of plants. It is synthesized in leaves. Functions of abscisic acid include: it induces dormancy of buds and seeds as opposite to gibberellin. It induces dormancy of buds and seeds as opposite to gibberellin, which breaks dormancy. Abscisic acid promotes the senescence of leaf, the old age of leaves. That is, fall of leaves happen due to abscisic acid. It inhibits seed germination and development. It causes closing of stomata. We have discussed the all activities of these 5 phytohormones.